shit, no. But I can do a backflip, no. Land on my feet on the beat, I don't need no practice. Been at this, got tactics. See the shit I'm doing right?
Yeah, ever since that fucking dirt concussion, my ears have just been so fucking sensitive.
I've never had a concussion in my life and I ride every day. I don't know what's wrong with you.
Remember that one time you dropped my bike?
Okay, it's not my fault the handlebars were hurt.
Yeah, by like a small amount. It was off by like 2, 3, 4 millimeters.
Jason, tell your friend to come here.
No,
His friend?
No.
I'm in the pit.
Oh, he's in the pits. Oh.
Yeah, fuck the power lines. Fuck you, power lines.
No,
Wap, 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 wap.
I'll come Saturday.
Saturday? It's gonna snow a foot.
It's not more.
It's supposed to get a foot and a half. Really?
Yep. Bet. Some parts of the state are foot and a half. Go hit the jump.
Yeah, he hasn't cleared any of the jumps.
You should go halfway.
Just keep going faster and faster each time.
I want to see it.
Come on.
One of these days.
Alright. This is only like my third time riding.
It's fine.
Third time riding like ever?
No, this season.
I was gonna say.
He's ready.
Big man.
Fucking second.
Go, send it.
Big man on the 150R.
To be honest, I may not even.
That 150R has plenty of power to clear it.
You got the horsepower.
My boy doesn't have a license, but
Okay, come on.
he's a fat fuck. Like this kid's like 210 pounds, and he's 7.
What's that tell you, Jason?
Jason, that's how you know you're a fucking pussy. Hit it.
Kevin won't hit it either. It's okay.
I thought I lost it.
That's basically like doing it on a pit bike.
I thought it was fun. Creep, go with him and show him the speed.
What?
Show him how fast they go.
Who?
Your brother.
Am I the only one that didn't break my pit? That high quality dad pen.
You're underage.
Don't those taste funky, or is it just like you get used to it?
I mean, it depends on the ones you get. Like some of them are flavored and shit. I
Yeah.
don't like the flavored ones. I like the ones that are just dirt. CO2 distillate is a lot better than anything else.
Jason, go on.
Come on. Stop being a
for it.
pussy.
But I am.
Hitting it with the cloth.
Absolutely.
Why are you being a pussy?
Yeah, why be
Dude, I kind of wish I never hit the... I wish I hit the jump when I had my Raptor. Now that I think about it, I should have hit it with the Raptor.
I need to go get gas after this, and I need to put the plow back on.
Wait, she's
All
not
for
on
tomorrow.
No, I sold it.
That orange Raptor?
Yeah.
Yeah, the one your friend was fucking riding.
Yeah, that
You,
fucking...
it was you cocksucker!
Whoa!
You motherfucker! You almost killed my boy.
That was
And bent his axle.
that was bad.
Yeah, way to fucking go, dumbass.
To be honest, I didn't
No.
To be
I
honest,
want to hear
thought
an
I never
apology.
even touched him.
I wanna
Ride
hear an apology
respectfully.
I
now.
apologized.
He did apologize.
I apologized that day.
Okay.
But like, to be honest, I actually thought I didn't even touch him. I thought he whiskey throttled that.
Tanked him. Tanked him.
I was like,
Didn't
like,
think you
did
hit
I-
him. He was aiming straight at the fucking tabletop.
He
He
went
ended
that-
up in the fucking tree over here.
Sancha later.